Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please click a subscribe button. If not, thank you so much. So today I'm going to be showing how I made autumn wreath, just foraged from nature while I was walking my dogs. I think foraging from your garden, fields or woodlands and bringing things home when you look in the autumn or winter is a really beautiful reminder of what nature produced for that summer, and it's really nice way to appreciate it and just make our homes a little bit more natural. So if you think that video will be interesting, so stay with me. This is my garlic foraged from my garden, and it will be perfect to make a wreath base. You can make it from thin branches. When you do, make sure your branches is not dry because it will be difficult to bend and make a circle. My way of drying things, I'm not saying is the correct way, it's just the way I do. I just cut something into bunches and hanging upside down and just leaving somewhere that's away from direct sunlight in the normal room temperature. And if you don't have that kind of space, or if you don't like hanging around your ceiling, you can make a little bouquet and put into your vase and just leave it. So my first thing that I need to do is actually cut everything up, because at the moment it's a little bit too big. So I'm taking a few bits of each foliage and start off creating a fan shape. I think I'm gonna start with my first bundle, put my thread onto my wreath base, and then I'm going to wrap it around more than a couple of times, because I want it to be quite tight. my wreath is really finished, I will add a few bits and a bow. I'm really pleased how it looks. The color tone are very earthy and natural, and I hope you enjoy, and then see you next time. Thank you very much.